guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a recipe that I found on Pinterest from theblissfulbalance.com. The link will be down in the description below, so if you want to make this, you can find all the ingredients and the amounts on there. So I wanted to make this because I have some mascarpone cheese that I need to use up, and this looks like a really easy way to do it. It's a chocolate and orange chocolate chip, orange chocolate cookie chip, chocolate chip orange cookie. Anyway, so throughout the video I'm going to go over the process of how the cookies are made, and at the end of the video I will give a review and let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. I first got going with my KitchenAid with my wet ingredients. So I added my coconut oil, the mascarpone cheese and sugar, and the zest and juice of a whole orange. Get as much zest and juice out of that as you possibly can. 2 egg yolks, vanilla extract, and that was it. So then I got my paddle attachment and mixed that all together until it was as, mixed together as it could. And then I slowly added in the flour. This was kind of a longer step. It took me about, 4 minutes to add everything in so that it wasn't overmixed. So I cleaned off my attachment and folded everything in just to make sure that everything was scraped up from the bottom. There was no flour or wet ingredients stuck. And then I added in my dark chocolate chips, just my preference, and mixed that all together. Not too much, again, we don't want to overmix. And then I cleaned off my attachment again to get as much of the dough off as I could. And then I just scooped my cookies onto my parchment lined baking sheet and baked them for 12 minutes. And this is what they look like when they're done. All right, guys, the first batch of cookies is cool, so I'm just gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Holy crap, these are really good. Do you want the rest?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. These are unlike any cookie I've ever had. They remind me so much of those chocolate oranges that you get around Christmas time. But the cookie itself, like the base of the cookie doesn't have a ton of flavor, but that's not a bad thing. It really kind of mellows out the really heaviness of the dark chocolate, and it kind of plays with the orange really well. This is really nice because you get a play of like orange and cream, but then you also get the orange and chocolate flavor, and those are some of my favorite flavor combinations. So this is really cool to kind of have them all in one. Like, it's kind of a fun little twist on just a plain cookie. They are like ridiculously soft. I mean, honestly, I think I have to rate these a 10 out of 10. They are amazing. Like, everybody should make these. The mascarpone in here, I know, is what makes it so soft and chewy, but I like that it still has a cookie flavor. I mean, I really have no complaints about this cookie at all.
These are really good.
I think the process of these was pretty easy. I mean, you just kind of dumped everything in a bowl. It was kind of 1-2 step. Everybody 1-2 step. I like that it was just kind of simple, dump, scoop, bake, and it was done. The process was a 10 out of 10. The flavor is a freaking 10 out of 10. These are really good. Like, I just don't even know what to say. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, so I'm just gonna let you guys get out of here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and testing out this recipe. I appreciate it. Leave a comment down below with any other recipe that you want tested. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and I will see you guys with my next video.
Bye.
Bye.